everyone, we are KIMU Stage Lighting. I'm Ethan. We are professional stage lighting manufacturer and we are specialized in the stage lighting area for over 8 years. So far, our factory area exceeds 10,000 square meters and we have more than 120 staff. 3 years ago, we used production light map to produce. Our light group can produce 100 pieces per light one day. Now let us move to next our workshop. Follow me, please. Our moving hand production line group can produce 300 pieces one day. Fast delivery and quality assurance is our advantage. Development ability is also our characteristic. We develop more than 20 new products one year. Our new product let our customers gain more advantage in their market. Believe me, by stage lighting, choose KIMU is your best choice.